Now that you're done listening to the story, The Tortoise and the Hare, you're going to practice retelling it. Now, if you have not listened to the story yet, please stop this video and go back and listen to it first. To retell the story today, you will need 3 popsicle sticks with 3 different pictures on them. Pause the video and get your materials now. When you retell a story, you want to tell what happened at the beginning, middle, and end. What happened first, next, and last. What order should these go in? Look very closely at the illustrations and see if you can put these in the correct order. Show your teacher what happened first, next, and last by making a video. In your video, hold up the popsicle stick that happened first and tell your teacher what happened at the beginning of the story. Then, hold up the second popsicle stick of what happened next and tell your teacher what's happening there. Last, hold up the last popsicle stick of what happened at the end of the story. Tell your teacher what happened at the end of the story in your video. Have fun retelling your story to your teacher by making a video.